Bom dia! Hoje é dia de Flona. Faz quase um ano que eu não vou pra Flona. Fiquei muito chateado quando teve aquele incêndio florestal, um lugar que eu ia quase todo dia. Vou voltar pra lá, me deu coragem, vamos lá. Lá tem umas trilhas divertidas, uns single tracks maravilhosos. Bora lá curtir, quem não conhece, aproveita aí, curte aí.
Are we going too far? I got no cash left and I'm losing my job over you, but I don't care about that. But I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, try to cling on to it. You got me holding on to something I know I can't burn me down, but I don't care about it, 'cause I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. I've been chasing you like the tail of a dog. I don't get no sleep when we kiss in the dark like we do. I just love the way it feels. Yeah, I know it's bad, but I can't resist. When I look in your eyes, I don't know what is real. All I know is that I could go anywhere, anywhere, as long as you're with me. Oh, I'm drunk and I know it, but I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, try to cling on to it. You got me holding on to something I know I can't burn me down, but I don't care about it, 'cause I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it.
Trilhinha aqui da Flona, descidinha aqui da escada.
You got me holding on to something I know I can't burn me down, but I don't care about it, 'cause I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. The rhythm of it. trapped inside a fake reality. Better days will never come for me.